Welcome back, office executives. So I was given the task to fill out data in this particular range of sales with the following column headers such as name, designation, posting and work status. Now I was also asked that I have to give some data validation by which no duplicate entry in the name field will be allowed. Now how to achieve that particular task within this range of sale, that is the thing which I am going to show you. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be applying the I will be applying the data validation in this particular column. So I am selecting whole of the column, assuming that the data might range up to 10,48,000, that is the whole of the row number. So now I'll be going to the data tab. After that I'll be going to the data validation section and then data validation, and under settings from any value I will be selecting custom. And what will be the formula? So the formula is simple, equal to COUNTIF bracket open. So COUNTIF within this range of cell, comma, I can write $A1, $A1. So why $A1? Within this range of cell A to A, $A1 means if A1 then A2, A3, A4. So I am fixing the column while the row number might change. So in any of the given criteria or in any of the given situation, the COUNTIF of the value of that particular cell within the range of cell A colon A, it should always be 1. Let me just highlight the show you the formula by zooming out the screen, zooming in the screen. So COUNTIF within A1, A to A, so that is A1 within this range of cell A, so the value of A1 will always be 1, it won't be 2. So it might happen that A1 then A2, A3, so that's why $A1. And under error alert section I am giving something like warning or maybe duplicate, and then I will be giving a message, no duplicate entry, no duplicate entry allowed in this range of sales. That's it. So let me hit OK. Now if I write in here, even if I write in here name, no duplicate entry allowed in this range of cell. Let me write my own name, Shomallo. Fine. The spelling is Shomallo. Okay. So let me write my name one more time. So see, no duplicate entry allowed in this range of cell. Let me give another name, Vikash, maybe, and write the same name again. Try to enter the same name twice. So no duplicate entry allowed in this range of cell. While doing this practically, I found one more thing. So let me clear out the validation. So let me clear out the validation, go to data tab, and then from data under data validation, from there setting here clear all, then OK. So what I found is that you can do this instead of doing $A1. If I do simply, so in this range of cell data, then from data to data validation, from there any value to I will be selecting the option list, source equal to COUNTIF A colon A, that is the whole of the column. Within that I am applying the validation. Instead of giving $A1, if I simply give A1 equal to 1, it works perfectly fine as well. Instead of giving $A1, okay. So okay, error alert, the list source must be delimited list. Okay, so instead of giving hold on a stick on a moment, let me just plug in my charger. Okay, so the error alert which here it is giving in is not allow list, it will be custom. And then I will be going to the error alert section and duplicate found, and the same duplicate found, and the error message no duplicate allowed in this range of cells. Fine. then hit OK. Now let me give in here the feed in the name to Excel, Vikas Tiwari, and again give the same name, Vikas Tiwari. So what we achieved in this particular problem set scenario is that in this particular data validation, instead of giving $A1, if we simply give A1, it works perfectly fine. Now if I just try to write here name here, duplicate entry, it won't take name as well. That's all for this particular data validation. Thank you all guys. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and while doing practical, if you have faced any issues, I will definitely try to solve it out. That's all. Thank you guys and happy coding.